Hi there, and welcome to today's product demonstration of PBS ContentLink, also known as PCL. ContentLink serves as a bridge between your SAP ERP system and other storage systems. It gives you the flexibility to opt for on-premise or cloud storage, like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. And it supports you with compliance policies, because all kinds of SAP files are stored in an unchangeable format. Let's start with the use case for PBS ContentLink and an overview of the architecture that supports you with linking your SAP ERP system with another type of storage system of your choice. The solution's installation effort is low. It does not require its own database. In addition to the already well-established SAP ArchiveLink, PBS ContentLink also supports the SAP-specific WebDAV 3.1 protocol. During storage, the data is extended to contain metadata that can also include retention and storage periods. Thus, a future-proof implementation is possible using the SAP ILM components, Retention Manager and Retention Warehouse. PBS ContentLink is meant to support you with better flexibility in utilizing a storage provider of your choice, including Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. This makes it flexible to your needs and also suitable for straightforward long-term archiving. During storage, it enables data to be saved directly in an unchangeable format in the storage system. This means that the legal requirements regarding compliant data storage are fulfilled, since data and documents can be made available at any time in their original format. In case your company has two storage systems with built-in replication, note that PBS ContentLink writes to one storage only. Replication is controlled by the storage system itself. If you have two storage systems without built-in replication, PBS ContentLink writes in parallel to both storage systems. In terms of the supported data types, ContentLink is ideal for storage for all kinds of SAP files and document types, including SAP Data Archiving or ADK files, Dart files, document management, print lists, and more. This opens up a lot of great possibilities for you. For example, if you would like to create Power BI analyses based on your SAP data. ContentLink comes with high availability to ensure you get what you want exactly when you need it. While we're here, note how ContentLink is not a content management system, even though it comprises many CMS functions. Another great inclusion of the ContentLink solution, not mentioned here yet, is called Content Reader, a solution for researching, retrieving, and filtering business documents like receipts or invoices by business selection criteria. Content Reader can be accessed by the SAP GUI or SAP UI5 app. You must be wondering what the ContentLink Management Interface or Monitoring Cockpit looks like. Well, now, there is no new application or tool that you will need to learn. ContentLink System Monitoring is possible directly from the SAP ERP frontend, where your administration tasks are performed. This is a great low-maintenance solution that does not require its own user interface or additional training. To summarize, with ContentLink, SAP ERP data can be stored in the well-known storage systems of common providers like Google, Amazon, or Microsoft. ContentLink has a database-free server infrastructure. It is a lean, low-maintenance product with easy installation where minimal infrastructure is required. You will benefit from the great return on investment of switching to PBS to support you with bridging the gap between your SAP ERP and everyday storage systems. For more information, have a look at the PBS website. We are available to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.